Alopecia areata is an autoimmune condition that causes significant hair loss. Corticosteroid injections into the scalp are a common treatment in conventional medicine, but they don't fix the root cause of the patient's hair loss. In a case study that I recently read about, one patient was experiencing significant stress. She had history of smoking and, she'd maintained a poor diet. So lab tests ordered by her naturopathic doctor, they revealed some elevated levels of thyroid stimulating hormone, and Hashimoto's related antibodies also came back positive. This poor lady now had Hashimoto's, thyroiditis, right, and alopecia. They're both autoimmune conditions. According to Alessio Fasano, who's the head of immunology at Mass General, autoimmunity is like 3 legs of a stool. The first is genetic predisposition. The second is alterations, the gut microbiome. And then the third is a trigger. Now that trigger could be a food, it could be an environmental toxin, or even a life stress. This case study, the woman began healing. She began healing with dietary interventions that eliminated foods known to alter thyroid function, like they first eliminated gluten and dairy, for example. Next, it was about supporting better gut health and adding back missing micronutrients based on the advanced lab testing that came up. So in 6 months, no surprise to me, the woman's alopecia was resolved and she no longer had antibodies attacking her thyroid. That is the power of food and natural healing methods. So if you put your body into the right conditions, both physically and emotionally, it will absolutely heal. Now, my specialty is identifying what will support the optimization of your body, just like that naturopathic doctor worked with her patient. So while I can't promise that your condition will go into remission, I have personally worked with people whose diagnosed condition is considered dormant, is in remission, or gone. So please reach out to schedule your initial consult today so we can run some advanced labs and get started on optimizing you.